what's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and today we on the Monte Carlo. This is day 18,000. Man, I don't know. But I'm gonna keep it real and true, man. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know. I'm gonna put in the title what day it is, but as the time of the introduction, I don't know, man. I haven't looked it up. It's a reference point, so I don't know what day it is, but I know I skipped a lot of days. Whether I'm gonna have to do something about that, cause that ain't fair. I'm gonna have to do something. I might have to do it each day I work on it and count it as a day, cause it ain't fair to myself if I'm counting as days go by, cause whether some days, man, if it rain for a week, that just ain't fair. If it rain for a week, and we'll get there sometime. Like it been raining today, as y'all can see, it's ugly outside, but I'm gonna go out here. I got roughly about an hour. I'm gonna see if I can get this thing out in 1 hour from where I'm at now. If I can't at least get it out, I want to have it ready to where I can just hook the engine horse up and then take it out. So that's enough talking. I'm about to go up on the hill and see what we got, cause matter of fact, let me take this off. Let me take this off of the stand, cause y'all going on the car with me. We don't need the stand. Y'all see I got my flywheel too. All that. Told y'all that. That's what Blow say, man. I might quote Blow lines all week. Miss me, boy, for real. So, hold on. So let me get up under the car, get situated. We're gonna see what we got. All right, so we're under the car. TH 350 transmission. Let's see the pan. It's a 350. Keeping this bad boy in here. Yes, indeed. So you can see this car has all the factory stuff. So I gotta take the converter pan shield out, 13 millimeters. Then I'm gonna hit the converter bolts. And the good thing about this, boy, these transmission bolts are easy access. So I think I can hit them with the impact. So yep, that's all I gotta take off on the hill. I ain't gotta touch that, I already got the lines loose. So we're gonna hit these, take this off, the transmission shield, 10 millimeters I meant. They actually 10 millimeters. Then I'm gonna hit them converter bolts. I'm gonna hit the exhaust last, which they probably gonna break off, but it's all good. But we're gonna hit them last. They 13s, I think. Right here, and then hit the transmission bolts. So I'm finna get everything I need, and we about to go to work. I'm gonna set y'all down on the ground, let y'all see me work. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. I got the converter shield down and off, out the way. I'm about to roll. So if I ain't talking that much, just know I'm trying to hurry up and get this thing out, finished. So I just tell y'all what I'm doing as I go. I bought the flywheel too down here, but I really don't need it, cause it's a V6. Ain't got no compression, as you can see. You just get your rag and turn it by hand. Got no type of compression. So let me see. I hope I got the right thing. I think these 15 millimeters. Actually, I think they're 15 millimeters. Yep, I believe so. So I'm gonna hit them with the socket, with the ratchet. Alright, y'all, we took it back in. I've been rolling. I done took the Cadillac converter clamp and stuff loose in the back half of the exhaust. Now I'm trying to hit these manifold bolts. That's why you get an impact. That's why you get an impact. Cause boy, I remember taking these things a little before, and boy, I'm talking about they break, which I wouldn't kill in this case because we ain't gonna use them. Or you have to spray them with PB Blaster cause they just won't come off. They so rusted. But not with this bad boy. Oh no. So we got one more to get. Can't see it. See where it's at. Getting dog out here on me. Got one more. Then the exhaust will be off. Then I can hit the motor mount bolts. I need to get my flare light, but I ain't trying to get up. I'm not trying to get up. I can see what I've done. Alright, now where the thing at? Right up in there. There we go. It's gonna come out today. It's gonna come out today. Impact right, boy. It's real walk right. That Milwaukee is right. So we got the wild exhaust loose. O2 sensor, which I'm going to cut. We don't use no O2 sensors. Well, I just unplug it. Any other time I cut it. Alright, get that off on here. Alright, so we got all the exhaust out the way. Now I got some room I can work with. Hit these motor mount bolts. And I'm actually going to, I hate I took them torque converter bolt. Well, they're going to have to come loose anyway. I'm going to pull the motor and transmission. I wasn't thinking, it's a V6, so that means it's a 350 Oldsmobile transmission. Got to be took out anyway. And I see I ain't going to be able to get it out today because it's getting dark on me. Now since I'm going to pull the transmission, I got to take it loose from the mount. Take the mount loose, basically let the mount stay in the car. And then that's it. Oh, and the linkage. I'm not gonna take the linkage loose because I might push the car forward tonight. Let me see. I probably get it. I'm just seeing if I can get these motor mounts without taking the start off, which I can. Trying to see what side. Alright, y'all, so I'm checking in, and this well met with everything, man. Whew, it got dark on, boy. It be getting dark fast, but it's more stuff than you be expecting, man. Especially when it's like I said, all the original car, man. Everything on it, nothing been touched, nothing been took off. But I had to get the exhaust loose. We got the motor mounts loose. I just didn't record it. I got torque converter bolt loose, which I didn't have to take. Then I got to hit the cross member mount, which I was gonna go ahead and do, man. But I got to hit the cross member mount, cause instead I'm gonna pull the motor and transmission out at one time. I don't know why it didn't hit me, but this is an Oldsmobile transmission, like I said, and we ain't gonna use that. So now I know I need to be hunting something down. I gotta find a 700 R4 transmission for this Monte Carlo. And the drive shaft, obviously. Golly. So I'm about to be hunting stuff down, man. I'm about to be back where I was with the drive shaft stuff and all that. But like I said, I gotta find me a drive shaft cross member for this Monte Carlo right here, so we can put the overdrive in there. So with big meats, we're gonna just pull everything out. I don't know nobody gonna want the automobile transmission. I don't know. I might try to sell it. Well, I'm gonna sell it. It's a good transmission. It worked great. I'm gonna sell it. So yep, we gonna. So when I come back tomorrow, if it don't rain, man, cause I'm battling rain. If it don't rain, I have this thing out. We'll just hook up to the engine hoist and go ahead and snatch it out. We're gonna set this bad boy on the ground, and then I can start under the hood preparation. The motor mounts gotta be changed, like I said, the frame mounts, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna leave it on jack stand, cause this the worst part I hate is jacking the car up. I'm alright with everything else. I hate jacking the car up, man. It feels like it take longer than everything. So yep, this is where we at today. Wasn't that exciting, but hey, every step of the way. Every step of the way. So next video, this bad boy gonna be in the air. It's coming up out of here. I'm gonna take that hood off, then we're gonna go and get that thing up out of here. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.